Today I'll show you how I pick the strategies and the EAs for live trading. I've been applying this method for quite a while now with years of demo history for strategies I've developed using EA Studio, but it actually applies to all kinds of EAs. I'll also provide a ready-to-use strategy, the one we're going to take a look at now, so you can test and trade it for yourself. And if you want to get more free EAs from me, just subscribe to the channel. It's free, it's a one-click action that will support our work. So I've got FX Blue up here. It's an account that's been running for 653 days on many pairs, and it's all on the H1 time frame, and so you need a bit of time to really weed them out, but it's been running for a long time. So there's good strategies in here, there's bad. The overall performance has been positive. It doesn't look great here, but that's not important at all because we're using it to filter out the absolute best looking strategies. And so how we do that is then if we're able to go into the statistics, we can have a look at these, all the individual strategies. So each of these is an individual expert advisor from EA Studio, and we're looking at the magic numbers here. Let's filter by profit factor to show the best ones. So you can see we've got about 2,000 trades overall for all of them, but I want to see something with usually more than 30 trades I like to see for the stats. So we've got the best profit factors here, but we've got two strategies here, 61 and 56 trades. And if I just go and have a look, I prefer a higher win rate strategy really. 60, 70% I really like, and that's what we've got here. So I'm going to select this strategy and copy that magic number. And then what we're now able to do, so we know the stats, we know that we're expecting about a 66% win rate ratio. Let's go have a look at how the chart looks overall. So let's apply the filter here and say that's the only strategy we want to see. It's a GBP USD strategy. It's been trading since 2023, and the balance and equity curve is looking pretty good. Equity's jumped up a bit there, but generally equity is going to follow the balance line very well and with the EA Studio EAs. And so yeah, it's looking good. As we see, we've got a 66% win rate. We've made nearly 20% return in that time. We've actually only had less than 4% drawdown. So really when I'm trading this further on, I'll talk about the risk after, but that's a very good risk to reward ratio. So now let's review EA Studio's performance and for the back test and compare with the results we're seeing here. So if I import this expert advisor here, we get to see the rules here, the 4 entry rules, an exit rule, take profit and stop loss. It's got a win rate of 0.54, so slightly less than we've seen. Very good kind of stable balance line, good return to drawdown ratio as we've seen in the live results, and that's us testing it over the last 7 years. And if we go back here, we were able to look at the trades. We're having a couple of losing trades lately here, but they don't seem to be long trades. It's opened a buy order there, it's gone for a loss. There's a big profitable trade there where it's gone short and it's taken its profit there. It's gone long, it's taken its profit there. It's just taken, when the 4 entry signals align, it says, well, there's a high probability trade. It places it and goes for the stop loss, so the take profit really, or the exit rule. And so yeah, and let's just check it on, I'm going to trade it on Blackpool, which I'll explain why in a second, but yeah, they're looking good on both. And so yeah, obviously it being EA Studio, I'm able to just download those. Obviously got it already, but if I develop this in here, I can just download those as expert advisors ready to trade. 18% in 18 months is pretty good return, right? Usually I would use more EAs to diversify the portfolio. I wouldn't just trade on its own. In this case, I'm going to use it on a small account. It's a great return and it's got such a low drawdown that I'm very happy to trade this EA on live. However, as I'm actually happy to tolerate a 15 to 20% drawdown, and this has only had a 4% drawdown, I'm going to increase the risk by about a factor of 5. So really, I'm expecting to make 5 times this profit over the next 18 months. So maybe close to 100% over the next 18 months, just by trading a single EA. And I'm actually also hoping to even exceed that value by choosing to open a Blackpool institutional account. I'll explain why that adds to the benefit in a second. So basically with Blackpool, who are an excellent broker, and you can read the reviews here, we can see here we actually get an institutional account for $2,000 deposit. And if I follow this link, so we can see here I get 90%. So usually an institutional account would cost $20,000 initial deposit, but using this link, you're able to actually get one for just $2,000. And so that's actually what I'm not going to trade on a $200 account. Actually, I'm going to trade on a $2,000 account. Sorry for that. And yeah, the reason is that they've got less spreads. So the spreads are even more competitive than the retail accounts. And also there's actually 50% off commissions, and trading costs are a big deal in trading. So hopefully that percentage that I've seen testing on just a regular raw demo account actually improves even further. For anyone interested in trying out EA Studio, there's actually a 15-day full functionality free trial. And there's several great packages available. I'll show you where these are. So yeah, if you go to this link, you can see that you can test it for free for 15 days, or you can purchase. But there's actually also some great packages here. If we go to the trading software link, and we can see that there's some packs. So the EA Studio typical price is 1,490 euros, but for an extra 200 euros, you get the top 10 app for a year, and you get some courses and the historical data tool. This one is excellent value. For an extra $500, you actually get FSB Pro and ExpressGen, which are both very valuable software. And the three of these work very well in unison. And there's some extra crypto investor, there's extra value there. But the packages are excellent value as far as I'm concerned. So if you want to try it out, I would highly recommend doing a free trial and considering one of those. Additionally, for anyone purchasing any of these packages using the link in the description, they will receive a free one-to-one coaching session with me that will definitely help rapidly bring you up to speed with using this great software and getting consistently profitable as soon as possible. So as promised, I'm going to share a strategy, and I'm actually going to share this strategy. So I'll export this as MT4 and MT5. And you can find the download link in the description. Members of the VIP club, I'm also going to provide some extra value by going through the exact same process with the same account and finding another strategy that ticks these boxes, and I'll provide that extra strategy for the VIP club too. So for anyone interested in joining the VIP club, please check out the benefits using the link in the description, as there is a wealth of value, including additional exclusive bonuses such as these additional YouTube gifts. Also, please check out the video on my site explaining why I believe EA Studio is the #1 Forex strategy generator. Trade safe, and bye for now.